Call Fat Boy.
Calling Ashley Price mobile.
Hello. Ice today. We need some ice today. It's hot. Too hot, not messing about. So, get straight into it. Halo. Underfloor sub. Underseat sub. And some new speakers. These aren't going in today. I haven't got a rivet gun or pop rivet gun. So, put those to one side. There's the main bit. And by the end of this, install should look a little bit like that. This is all the stuff that came with a CD player. GPS antenna, don't think I need that. Microphone, definitely need that. Single DIN cage, that adapts the screen onto the actual clever bit. This is all for some speakers. I need those to sub. That one says mic in anyway, you can't see it. And steering remote. So that'll go into the back of somewhere. Powered antenna. Don't think I need that because I've got a DAB antenna. USB extension. Don't think I need that either because I ordered a kit that allows you to keep all of the steering wheel controls. And this USB, female USB end goes into the dash, so it retains the standard USB connection on the left hand side of the driver. And this is the harness that comes with the Halo. To me, it looks pretty similar to the one that comes with the interface from Connects 2. They're all the same stuff. That is that and that together. And then you've got various things on top. DAB, antenna adapter. And it's going to be a learning curve. I've never done an install this in depth. Anyway, we'll open the sub up next. Underseat sub that'll go underneath the driver's seat. It is an Alpine PWES8 8-inch underseat subwoofer. Wiring harness plugs into the sub here. That's where the two, I can't remember what they're called again. And then this one plugs into a sub remote there and allows you to manually adjust the the sub, the bass. I'm gonna go start taking the van apart. Meet you in some wires. This is a universal universal patch lead for an Alpine head unit. I need to make it look like that. And it says, example 1, Alpine, remove link J2, then use jack connector into radio. So link J2 are the green ones, pins 9 and 10. So I've got to remove the green loop and then use the jack, which is this. And this is the steering wheel control interface. What's wrong with those two? This is just a cheap eBay set of pin removal tools. Absolutely no idea which one I need to use. Let's pull the wire out. Oh, fuck it. The pins are still in the plug, but the green loop's been removed. I'm going to fit that in the van. Sit there and sweat. It's in. All the wires, I think, are where they need to be. Crep check. Not so dead, still dead. Cheers, mate. Fell off in the sun. There's one mistake, because it's not memorising anything. This is wrong. That must need to go to the red one, the red wire, not the yellow one. Because one of these isn't a switch live feed, one is just a normal feed, as in dumps all this memory. But while you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Oops. Didn't mean to play that. It's on shuffle, but it works. So to retain the original fitment of the USB, you've got to pull this out, pop this out just with a little trim tool, and then remove this USB holder thing, and then you open up the case. You've got little tabs on the side that you've got to ping open. You can see I've battered them, but it'll be alright. Open that up, pull the original USB, female USB end out of this little housing, this little black housing. Pop the one that's supplied with the interface kit, this box, in to here. Pop the case back on. Route the cable through here. You can grab it by putting your hand in there, pulling that out, and then push the cable through there and put your hand in, grab it from there, pull it up and pull it out through the cage, and then you can plug it all in, slide the CD player in, and job's a fish. So everything's in. All my cracked heated windscreen switch. I'll give you a bit of a demonstration. Notice there's only two options at the bottom, phone and setup. If if I plug my phone in like that, it gives us the option for Apple CarPlay. We can use so now if I use my phone, we can play some music. That's me controlling it off my phone through the USB. So that was successful. The USB is now plumbed in, retaining the original look, but now a direct source into the media player. I've got to tidy a few bits up. There's like a shroud that goes behind here, but I've got to take the screen off again to plumb in the wires for the rear speakers yet. I haven't connected them in the back of the CD player, but now I'll show you the sub. There's a sub all wired in, 12 volt feed. There's the, I think they're RXA cables, and other wires that are required by the sub to work. That's all wired in. Put some cable arm around it just to tidy it up a little bit. See what the lighting's like. That's alright. And that's it. That's the end of this one. That's the initial audio install done. Looks like a window. It's not. The next one on the van will be either speakers or insulation and sound deadening, because I've started that. I would do the speaker video now, but it's raining outside and I need the doors open, so I can't do that. You'll probably just continue with some more sound deadening and insulation today. Might video it. But that's it for this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Safe.